Rajant hosted more than 40 representatives from its partner program in Robeson, Arizona. This 3-day event was an opportunity for Rajant's partners to gain first-hand experience and training with live demonstrations, as well as learn about future product enhancements and product direction. They were also the first to see the new Rajant breadcrumbs, the LX4, ME3, JR, and UX2400, as well as the latest InstaMesh software.
Well, several times a year we come out to this facility in the desert to test out new products. While doing that, we generally invite customers, prospects, resellers to come on out. In this case, in addition to testing, we've scheduled a training session for customers and resellers. So it gives us the opportunity to get people exposed to the technology at multiple levels.
Rajant Corporation is the pioneer of kinetic mesh networks and a provider of pervasive multi-frequency wireless solutions. These solutions enable secure communications on the move through a portable meshed wireless network that can rapidly reconfigure and adapt in real time.
From Ivara's perspective and our clients, it's not necessarily doing the analysis and determining how something broke and how to prevent it from happening again. It's really taking the current asset health from multiple data points. Using Rajant allows us to capture this in near real time. So within seconds, we can capture data, move it across the network, and then make a decision on how to fix a piece of equipment before it actually fails, saving mining companies hundreds and thousands of dollars in maintenance and repair costs.
From a technology standpoint, the difference between the Rajant product and everybody else that's out there, everybody else has to build an infrastructure to communicate back to. The fact that the Rajant product is its own infrastructure. Nobody else does it. Combine that with the multiple radio concept. So you've got three or four different RF paths, and then the interaction between the breadcrumbs between other vehicles or other fixed locations or something. And it's very unique. Nobody else has it.
What's happened in the past is you had to make those choices. We could run a more reliable fleet management system, or we could have all the nice-to-have pieces that add on to it. Now we can go to our customers with a solution that says both. The other side of it is that we can install it and forget about it for the most part, that there's not a great deal of updates required. The system self-heals when some of the infrastructure will go down. So the customers don't really worry about it. It becomes something you can install and get on to the business of mining.
As far as measurable solutions, I think it's that the problems just go away, rather than sending service and support out there constantly to deal with radio situations. That's dropped tremendously, having to do the support, the constant support on the radio, and we can focus our energies on other areas of the mines.
Rajant's breadcrumb wireless solutions provide networks for military, mining, homeland security, first responders, telecommunications service providers, and public safety. They provide voice and data communications across a meshed self-healing network. Rajant's breadcrumb network nodes accomplish this by communicating with IP-based client devices such as laptops, PDAs, video cameras, satellite terminals, network radios, RFIDs, and sensor devices.
It's not a matter of we've had to move away from the others. It's that Rajant does offer a solution that the others don't seem to be able to keep up with today. And the total cost of ownership, when you include downtime or fleet management system availability as a part of that, it is a far cheaper solution to run overall.
They have a fantastic reputation of really good uptime. And also their radios have more than one radio component in it. So with the 3 radios, you have really a better chance of staying up longer, faster, and that's key for communication in the mine.
They have a very quality product and an ease to use product as well. Setting up the network was very simple for us, and that was one of the things that we really liked the best about Rajant, was being able to get that network up and running quickly for the customer, not have to spend a lot of time and energy getting that network up there.
We have a partnership with Luxol. They make a really exceptionally performing tactical antenna, goes on vehicles, gives the Rajant breadcrumb more range and also allows vehicles to stay in contact even as their orientation changes. And the Luxel antenna is particularly adept at adjusting and accounting for those differences in elevation. And how they treat the radio signal allows connectivity to be maintained more consistently than other antennas we've utilized.
Rajant has dozens of partners worldwide that provide expertise in areas such as mining, defense, hardware, and information security. Rajant is always looking for new partners to help take its Breadcrumb wireless network nodes to market. If you're interested in becoming a Rajant reseller partner, please email Rajant at partner@rajant.com.